Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to manage ANC mod for the headphones JBL Live Flex 3. You have to start by open JBL application. After that, remove the headphones from the charging case and put it to your ears. Now we can enable ANC. And I recommended to click Customize and choose you wanna adaptive ANC, or you can disable it and choose ANC level. Like move to the right to make it higher and move to the left to lower this level. Like I prefer the highest one, so I leave it here. Or I can also enable adaptive ANC. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!